Hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling you top 7 interesting and simple golden rules of money. Every millionaire like Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett and many others used these rules to build their wealth. But sadly, the shocking part is that none of them even bother to tell you these. However, without knowing these rules you won't ever reach your financial goal. So to build wealth and live a happy life you need to know these rules of money. Let's just start with those rules directly now. 1. Surround yourself with individuals who are better than you. This one is comparable to investing, except you would be investing time and effort rather than money. Constantly be around individuals who are brighter or better than you in all facets of life, including your spouse, friends, colleagues, and subordinates. Face it, I say. You can't possibly know everything, and before you learn everything there is to know, you will have long since left Earth. Therefore be careful to hang out with individuals who can teach you things or assist you with tasks that you lack the time or resources to complete on your own. Choose an intelligent spouse or partner, a knowledgeable subordinate, or a sensible business partner. You should also find a mentor. Everybody can assist you in some capacity. They must go if they don't respect you and bring you down. Keep your distance, please. 2. Deliberately take risks. This is a fundamental principle of life. If you don't participate, you can't really win. Take some chances, because without them, no benefits will come your way. Never be scared to take risks, even if you fail. Learn from your mistakes and move on. And when we discuss risks, we're talking about calculated risks. You must have the common sense to refrain from jumping out of an aircraft without a parachute strapped to your back. Make a decision, but make it one that is thoughtful and mindful, since not all risks are positive or have the potential to pay off. As we move further, I would request you to press the subscribe button to watch more videos related to personal financing. Now let's continue. 3. Spending less than your income. The most important financial guideline is to never spend more than you make. This serves as the backbone of personal finance and is crucial to accumulating money. You must make and follow a budget if you want to do this. Your income, spending, and savings objectives should all be included in your budget. Also, you have to focus your spending and reduce wasteful expenditures. Shopping around for cheaper items and services is one approach to lower your spending. Also, you can think about buying a smaller house or car, cutting back on eating out, and lowering your entertainment costs. You can save and invest more money for the future if you reduce your current consumption. 4. Spend money in yourself. This is actually saving or investing a portion of your money prior to making payments for bills or other costs. You want to try to set aside at least 20% of your income for retirement, unanticipated expenses, and other long-term objectives. You may automate your investments and saves in order to develop the habit of saving. You can arrange for regular withdrawals from your bank account to your 401k or savings account, K. You won't have to consciously remember to put money aside each month, so you'll be less likely to be tempted to spend it. 5. Judiciously use your credit. Although credit may be a helpful instrument, improper use of it can be risky. Avoid having a debt on your credit cards if you want to responsibly use credit. In the event that you do carry a debt, make sure to settle it as quickly as you can to prevent paying exorbitant interest rates. Also, refrain from opening too many credit accounts at once. Your credit score may decrease each time you make a credit application. Instead, concentrate on establishing a solid credit history by being consistent with your payments and maintaining a manageable level. 6. Make a variety of investments. It's critical to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and increase rewards. You should diversify your assets over a number of industries and asset classes rather than putting all of your money in a single company or asset class. To lower your total risk, you may, for instance, invest in a combination of stocks, bonds, and real estate. You may also think about purchasing foreign equities to spread out your exposure to other markets. 7. Maintain discipline. Discipline is the initial and most crucial component in wealth creation. No matter how many dollars you earn, wealth won't build up without discipline. It's easy to understand and simple. Do you need money? Get them. Maintain discipline and work your way up. Nobody will approach you and ask for your money. Owning enormous houses, driving extravagant vehicles, donning fine clothing, and partying on pricey boats in the Caribbean are other traits that most people connect with wealth. They are so far from the truth. The majority of the wealthy are the complete opposite. They are self-disciplined people who control their expenditures even as their income increases. They don't waste their time shopping and cruising around in Porsches. They are disciplined enough to avoid falling victim to that preconception, so you won't see them. They'll just continue climbing the corporate ladder. Just keep that in mind. Develop your discipline. You are the only one standing in the way of financial success. Thus, stop coming up with justifications and start earning money. That's all for today. Always remember these rules in your life. Keeping these rules in mind before making any investments will make you rich in your future. Well, if you wish to watch more videos related to personal finance, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. If you found this video helpful, share this video with your friends and family so that they also become knowledgeable.